Hey guys, so I thought that I would be, you know, amazing, you know, superwoman, and I would be able to get 2 tutorials out for you this week, but that doesn't seem to be in the cards because I'm going camping on Wednesday, so not enough time. There will be a tutorial on Friday, but there will not be one today, which is the day you're watching it, which is Tuesday. So I decided to do a quick Tuesday video, which is a unboxing of a company called PacCana Enterprises, and it is a company that sells zippers and things. So they are located in Alberta, Canada, and I think they deal with mostly companies, but basically you go on their website and you sign up, and then they will respond back to you with a username and password. So it's like you have to request to have membership. And then, yeah, so I got a username and password, and then I was able to purchase things. So I want to show you what I got. So this is my first time buying zippers in this way. Normally I would just go to the thrift shop and just get the cheap zippers. And then they also had some other fun goodies, which I wanted to try, and they have amazing prices. So here is my box. So the first thing you see, obviously, is this, which is some medium weight interfacing. And I almost died when I saw the price. It is $1 a yard, so I got 5 yards, and it is it is fusible interfacing for $1. So I was like, what? So I got 5 yards just because I use it all the time, and that will be where I get it from now on because that is amazing. And then I got some zippers. So I did get a whole ton of black and white because, of course, that's my, you know, go-to. I did get these in a size 5. They have different size variations, so you choose what size you want in your zipper by the yard, and then you would choose the coordinating size zipper pull. So I got the white and the black, and then I got a little bit of the blue and the pink, and the blue and the pink I got 2 yards. 2 yards each of this, and then 5 yards each of the white and the black. And then the coordinating poles, which are, so I just got some coordinating poles. They have PAC on them for PacCana, and they're nice and big, which is awesome. I really like that one. And then I just got them all in, I got 20 of the white and the black, and then 10 out of the blue and the pink. So I don't really know how much, you know, I'm going to use. That's probably not enough poles for the amount of yardage that I got, but you know, you can always order more. They have really great shipping rates in Canada, at least. I can't speak for what it would cost for the Americans. So yeah, like I said, it is like kind of like a wholesale company, so they have some really great prices on some notions. So I did get these blades here. 45 millimeters, so that will fit into my rotary cutters just fine. And these were only $2.50 a piece. They do sell the Olfa name brand, and they are way more expensive, but I figured I would, you know, check out these guys and see. They're from Taiwan. See if they do any good. I mean, I'd rather spend $2.50 and it, you know, last half the time than spend 6 times the price on a name brand. So yeah, got 2 of those. And then I got some little snips. I thought these were really cute. They were only $1.50, so which is comparable to like the dollar store, but you know, can always use them. I'm always losing mine. They're always here, but I just can't seem to find them when I need them. And then last was these stitch rippers, which I thought looked really awesome. So there's the name of the company, PacCana. If you want to look it up, I will leave a link in the description box below. Ergonomic soft cushion grip. So these are only $2.50 a piece also, which is super cheap because, I mean, the ones I usually work with are $2.50 in there. They're pretty bad. Very nice. That's awesome. I'll show you the one that I've been working with lately. It doesn't even have the little bally on it anymore. I lost it somewhere. so it always stabs into my fabric whenever I'm using it. So that's awesome. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing video of mine. And yeah, if you want to check out that company, like I said, PacCana, links will be in the description box below. And who knows, maybe in the future I will feature something of this in a giveaway. I'm gonna, of course, give everything a test run, make sure that I like everything before I commit, but I'm interested. See, I like the big poles. The big poles will be a lot easier to get onto these because it is so hard to get the little poles on the little stuff. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in Friday's video. Bye, guys.